Welcome to Judaica Book Center's new registry. We are committed to ensuring that you have the best experience that you can, and as such, we have created a new registry for you to be able to best be able to add your wish list and add your products for bar mitzvahs, weddings, whatever it is, in a way that's easy for you and in a way that is efficient for you. So let's just get down to creating your first registry. This is the page that you'll receive. You'll see as soon as you log in, normally from the top. And so you see up here, there's this registry search button here. It will replace this gift search. This gift search is the old registry, which will still be there for the time being. But this is the new registry with all the new old registries now into that. So if you would like to search somebody else's registry or search some of your own, this is where you'll now go to. So to get started, we're going to create your first registry. You scroll down and you will see that on the side here there are many items. We're going to go to my events. Now under my events we have this we have this registry over here, which is currently enabled. You have start date and you have the name. Let's just go on and add a new registry. We'll just click the add new registry button. There's a nice brief understanding of what a registry is, and some instructions. So here we'll just go and we'll say registry title. You can customize your title. We are planning on adding in new functions like the old one have like occasions and priorities, but at the moment you can customize your title. So we're just going to put Yisrael Siegel Wedding, that's the name of it. Then you can change the email address. This is the email address that's listed in the account. If you'd like it to go to a different email address, you can do that as well. This will be relevant if you have, which we'll go into, that you can actually get people to RSVP from the site as well. So you can change it to everyone. You can put the name of the registry over here. So you can say that it's, let's say, your son, whoever it is, whoever's involved. Then here's the start date. This is actually when the registry will be active. So we actually close off the ability to purchase individual products after the event is finished. So if you want to allow people to purchase something a few days later, then you should actually give them more time to add another 3 days. This is the start date. This is when it becomes active. So we'll just choose the 7th, and the end date will be in, let's say, January the 5th. So now I have that. So if you would like it that people can't actually get into it or searchable, they have to have a link. So you keep it on private, otherwise go to public. Enabled when you're ready. Now you can actually invite people. Like the other option didn't have as much this, but you can actually add a specific shipping address. You can whatever message you can specifically send it to people by pressing this button here. By pressing add under invitees, you write the name, you write the address, and then when it actually saves, it will actually invite those people. So let's just get rid of that. Now we save and continue. That's the basic registry. That's just creating it. Now that we've created, let's add some products to it. We're gonna go. We now get back to this page. See, we've edited. So start date, it's enabled public. Then we go and press edit. Now we get back with this is the familiar screen, except for there are these tabs over here, and we have all these tabs over here, and we have a few other options here. Alright, so we have Notes tab, and we have RSVP tab, and as you can see, there are help links for there. So again, this will allow you to send notes. And allows people to actually send you notes as well. This can be a note to the to us, or it could be a note to you saying that you would like it. You'd like telling them, like, if one person bought the item, if one person is actually making the purchase, but it's actually on behalf of, let's say, 5 people, you can write in the note that this is actually from 5 different people. You can also leave a note there. The RSVP will actually allow you to see who's actually um, attending the registry. Gives you the ability to see. If you would like a photo, it will be here. This is all optional. If there's another website that you have for the event or your own personal website, you can place that there. You can actually here's where you put your wish list, your actual address. If you would like a different address than your normal one, you don't actually have to put an address. If you do put in an address, when they add the product, it will send it to you, and we will know to send it to you. If you don't, then we will just send it to whoever purchased the item. If you would like a different address to your normal one, you'll actually have to go to edit account and then add a second address. So let's just save and continue. Right. Now, adding products. So now adding products is a lot easier than the last feature. There's just an add product button here. And what it does is that it allows you to now search through all the products here. And as you see, you can add quantities and you can add whatever quantity you want, and you just click add to registry. So let's say here we'll say add to registry and 1. It says you have now added it. If you're actually, let's go back for a second. We'll see that it has these products have actually been added. This was all. The button also exists for if that's how you add a product normally, while you're actually making the registry. If at any time afterwards you say that you would actually like to add a different product, so let's go to our hero in a collection. You want to get a product from there. You're looking through. You say, hey, I would actually like this set. So let's say the 5 megalots. So you can actually click on this button here, which says add to event, and it says, and you choose which registry you want. So you want to do, let's say that's one. Add to registry. You'll get this success message, and then we go back to, our registry, and you'll see that they have all the products have been done and actually been added. See, 5 megalots. We have 1 minute message. Click on a bunch of times. We have 5. It's fine madness. We have 2 of them here. You can change the quantities here. You can delete it entirely. You can actually add a comment. It does not matter. Again, then we have notifications where you want anytime you want to receive something. Like let's say when you want to share it. There is a greater sharing this that you can actually share it directly to social media such as Facebook or Twitter, or you could just post this link. If you do not have, we saw that you can actually invite people directly to the registry and it will email them the link. If you don't have all of them, you can just post it, send an email out, or if there are many, you can just send this email out. And this is the link over here. These are the notes you can write about it, and this will allow you to see who's actually looked at it. So that is your gift registry. So now we'll see here. Let's say we'll go to registry search, and we'll see this is the registry we were looking at. It's actually finished now. And this is what it looks like there. So now that it's finished, you can't actually buy anything, you say that's it, but you can still add all products to cart, and then you can actually add all products to cart, and once it's added to cart, so then once it's added to cart, so then you can remove whatever you want if you still want to. If it's not, if you have, let's say if it's not finished, you'll see it has an in progress sign like over here. Let's quickly go into one of these, and you'll see that you can, it says here how many have been how many they want, how many have already been bought, and the quantity that you wish to buy. And obviously if they have more, then it will have more there, and then you just press add to cart. Now there's something to point out, that now add to carts, that if you want to actually delete it, let's say it was on an error or whatever reason, you can just click on the registry and then it is deleted. Anyway, that's basically adding and deleting your gift registry here at JVC. Thank you very much.